So I'm sure that you all have had the Starbucks pink drink. It is fantastic, refreshing, and fruity, but it's also expensive. And if you are keto, it's terrifying to order. So I have made a 2-ingredient version that, I mean, I guess it's 2 ingredients if you don't count the ice and the strawberries, which I don't. And it's super cheap and super simple to make, so let's make it. So the first thing you're gonna start off with is ice, and use as much or as little as you want to. I usually fill the cup about halfway. So the secret ingredient that makes this super, super simple and you don't have to brew any tea is the ice sparkling waters. They are absolutely fantastic. They are 0 sugar and super flavorful. I always have 2 options that I like, and you can totally do personal preference here: kiwi strawberry and strawberry watermelon. I usually go with the strawberry watermelon as I feel like it has the most reminiscence of the pink drink. So next, all you're gonna do is pour that in, and I usually fill it about 3/4 of the way with the ice. And the last but not least ingredient is heavy whipping cream. You can also use half and half, but I choose heavy whipping cream. And you can put as much as you like or as little as you like. And then just go ahead and give that a stir. Look at how beautiful and pink that is. We're gonna top it with strawberries. Again, optional, you don't have to add these. And there you have it, the beautiful, easy keto pink drink. Don't mind the cats, they're scratching on things. All right, let's take a drink, cheers. Look at how beautiful it is. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh, it's so fantastic. The only difference that I note is obviously there's a little bit of carbonation because you do add sparkling water to it. And obviously the original pink drink does not have that. But to me, it's super refreshing. It's nice and chill. And literally the ices were $1. You can buy your heavy whipping cream for like $3.50. And it's just super cheap. It can make so many drinks, and it's much cheaper than Starbucks. And honestly, much more flavorful in my opinion. So I really hope you guys give this a try. It is absolutely fantastic. Perfect for these hot summer days that are coming. And it's just nice and refreshing. Plus you get a strawberry every now and then. So thank you guys so much for joining me today. I hope you give this a try, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.